Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So today I'll be showing us how I made this delicious masa. You can see the way the inside is. So if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you. So this is the rice I will be using to make the masa rice. It is called tuwo shinkafa rice. Tuwo shinkafa rice in northern Nigeria. That's what it's called. But for those that stays abroad, in case you can't get the tuwo shinkafa rice, you can use the jasmine rice. That's the closest to it. So what I'll be using is 4 cups of this tuwo shinkafa rice. I mistakenly deleted the video where I was washing the rice, but I will explain. So like I said earlier, I'll be using 4 cups of tuwo shinkafa rice. So from that 4 cup, I'm going to remove a half cup and keep aside. I'm going to remove a half cup and keep aside. So what I'll be left with is 3.5 cup. So that 3.5 cup, I'm going to wash it very well and then soak it overnight. I'll wash the 3.5 cup remaining very well, then soak it overnight. So the next morning, this is the half cup I removed earlier. So what I'll do is I wash it and then cook it. Take note. So this was that 3.5 cup that I soaked overnight. Remember. So you will notice that the water has somehow fermented. So I'll still go ahead and wash it. So this is the cooked rice and this is the other one I soaked overnight. So what I'll do is I'm going to blend the both of them. I'm going to blend the both of them. That's the cooked rice. That's the parboiled rice and the other one I soaked at night. So I also added onion, add a little water and then blend. Make sure you blend it very, very well. So after blending, this is what I have. After blending, this is what I have. So I went ahead and added sugar and then yeast. So what I'll do is I'll just turn it and cover it for it to rise. For the exact measurements I use in making this masa, you can check the description box for it. So after that, I'm going to keep it in a warm place for it to rise. That's for like 30 to 1 hour. It all depends on the quantity of the masa you are doing. So after it has rised, I went ahead, I mix it very well. So after mixing it, I added baking powder. So I mix it and then I added a little bit of vegetable oil. This is actually optional. This is actually optional. Then I went ahead and add more sugar depending on how sweet you want yours to be. The little sugar I added earlier, when I added it was just to help the yeast to, just to prove the batter. So depending on how sweet you want it to be, you can decide to add more sugar or reduce the sugar. So that's just it. And also when mixing the batter, I noticed that it was somehow watery. So I added a little bit of flour to thicken it. So I went ahead to start cooking the masa. What I did is just to put my masa pan on my hot plate, then add a little bit of vegetable oil, scoop the batter into it, and then allow it to cook. Then when the one side has cooked, I flip it over and then allow the second side to cook. And that is just it. It's as simple as ABCD. So you can see one side is cooked, so I went ahead to turn it. Please make sure that the fire is not much in order to allow your butter to cook properly. Take note. So after that, you just go ahead and continue the process till you are done with the butter. So that's just it. It's as simple as ABCD. So the more I'm removing, the more I'm adding, the more I'm removing, the more I'm adding. So that's just it. I hope you love this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video, do have a lovely, lovely day. Bye bye.